Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Dropbox login problems, sync and account errors step by step clearly. First, check your internet connection by opening a few websites to confirm it is stable. Restart your modem or router. Then try signing into Dropbox again. Make sure the Dropbox service is not down by visiting the official Dropbox status page in your browser. Verify that your email address is typed correctly and that caps lock is not affecting your password. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password option and complete the reset from your email inbox. Check your inbox and spam folder for the reset email, and use the newest reset link only. If you use two-step verification, confirm the time on your phone is correct so codes generate properly. Try a different sign-in method, like sign in with Google or sign in with Apple, if you originally used it. On a computer, open an incognito or private browser window and try logging in again. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then fully close and reopen the browser. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers that may interfere with login pages. If you are using the Dropbox desktop app, quit Dropbox completely and reopen it. On Windows, right-click the Dropbox icon in the system tray and choose Quit. Then relaunch it. On Mac, click the Dropbox icon in the menu bar, open Preferences, and choose Quit Dropbox. Then reopen it. Update the Dropbox app to the latest version from the official Dropbox download page. Update your operating system and restart your device to apply pending fixes. Check your device date, time, and time zone settings, because incorrect time can cause authentication errors. If sync is stuck, click the Dropbox icon and review the sync status message for a specific error. Pause syncing for a minute and then resume syncing to refresh the connection. Confirm you have enough free disk space, because low storage can stop syncing. Check that the Dropbox folder is in a normal local location and not inside a network drive or removable drive. Make sure the files are not open or locked by another app, especially Office files and large media files. Rename files that have unsupported characters or extremely long names to avoid sync conflicts. Look for conflicted copy files and choose which version to keep. Then delete or rename the extra one. If you see an account error, sign out of Dropbox in the app, then sign in again with the correct account. Remove and re-add your device in Dropbox security settings if the session looks suspicious or outdated. Temporarily disable VPN or proxy settings, because they can block Dropbox authentication and syncing. If nothing works, reinstall Dropbox by uninstalling it, restarting the computer, and installing the newest version. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.